Hi friends, welcome to Queen's Collection. A warm hello from Team Queens and a big thank you to all the subscribers, customers and viewers for your continuous support. And today I brought you some exciting range of kurtis ranging from around about 450 rupees till 2000 rupees. So watch the video till the end without skipping, and if you like something, just you can order through our WhatsApp number. And if you need some sort of alteration, we can get it altered to your size and send it to your place, as we have got in-house tailoring as well as worldwide shipping facilities available with us. So come on, let's start with today's collection. Hi friends, this is the first kurti what I'm showing you. This is in Kali kurti, beautiful green color with which has got a dory in front. So you need not get it altered. It will be just, you can just adjust it according to dory as per your size. And the price for this one is 470. And the size available in this M, L, XL, and XXL. And many other different colors are also available in this. And if you like, we can show them through video call. Otherwise, you can come to the store also. Many other varieties available. As per your demand, all the customers wanted huge range in Kali kurti, so I'm showing you those. This will come in 490 range. Got many of the colors also in this. Lightweight rayon material, very good for daily wear and casual wear. I've got different colors in this. You've got this, seen this yellow color, got this white color also. So both the colors are really good and really exciting. And this, in this also you'll have this dory, so you need not get it altered. You can be adjusted to your size as per the dory. And the next piece what I'm showing, it comes in straight cut, and we got many other models in Kali kurtis also which are available in the store. This comes in straight cut. The straight cut kurti got other two colors in this. There's a sandalwood color. It got this nice button. It comes in total rayon material. Nice fancy casual daily wear variety. Range is quite reasonable, 490 range only. You can see, have a look at the colors also. And we have got many sort of mix and match varieties like leggings, straight pants, patialas, plazos. So if you need some sort of mix and match also, we can get it altered. We can get it matched and send it to your place. So see, there are three beautiful colors available in this. And the range for this one is 490 only. And next piece what I'm showing you again will be in Kali kurtis. This is in short Kali kurti actually. You'll have a very short Kali kurti. And the price for this one is 490. Got other colors and different patterns also in this. This is one more very different variety. This is also a Kali kurti, this one. And the range for this one is 550 range. Got many other prints, many other varieties. The base of this is in soft quality rayon material. Very good for casuals. It looks very nice. In similar pattern, I've got many other different varieties also. You can have a look at this one also. This also comes in Kali kurti. Range for this one is also again 550 range. Got M, L, XL, XXL, 4 sizes available in this. These are the colors and different many varieties available in this kind also. This also comes in same 550 range. You can match a pink color bottom with this. It looks very good. Range same 550 range, and size available M, L, XL and XXL. This is one more very beautiful ethnic variety. If you like to see something in cotton casual ethnic variety, you can go for this one. This is all pure cotton, 100% cotton, mull cotton variety with having bandi print over the neck and the sleeves. The kurti looks very beautiful, and this was the second time we have bought this kurti. There's a huge demand for this kurtis earlier also. So we had to reorder it again. So 3 colors available in this. Nice mustard, green, maroon color. So 3 exciting colors. We can match a cream color bottom with this. It will look really cool. Next variety what I'm showing is very different variety again. This is a nice top with lines over it, stripes over it, and you got bell sleeves in this. And the price for this one is 670 only. It comes with a beautiful bottom along this, all chicken work bottom in this. I've got different colors in this. I'll show you all the colors. This is a green color, and you got this red color. For all of them, you'll have this white color bottom along with this. And the range for this is quite reasonable. It's only 470 range. Got this black color bottom, and got this blue color. So 4 colors are there. All the 4 colors are really different, really exciting. So don't miss the collections. They're really good. This is one more beautiful kurti set. Base is in jute cotton variety. You got nice ikat print over it. This is the top, and this is a beautiful bottom with this. And the price for this one is 670 range only. Size available M, L and XL. 3 size available in this. Got many different varieties of this kind which are available in the store. We can show you via video call. This is one more very beautiful piece. This comes in handloom variety. Got a very nice work done on the neck, mirror work, sequence work, and sleeves are also done a bit differently. And the cost for this one is 710 range only. So beautiful varieties. This is one more very different variety, very good for casuals. High quality rayon material fabric. You got this nice work done in the front, and colors are all pastel colors and beautiful colors in this. I'll just show all the colors. This is the pink one what you have seen. You can see this yellow color available in this. This is a bluish color available in this. And this is the green color. So 4 colors available in this. All the 4 colors are really good, really different. All English colors. If you don't have this kind of color set, you can go in for the 100% washable fabric. Size available are M, L, XL and XXL. Next variety is equally good, equally beautiful actually. This is in plazo set, casual variety. This is the top, and this is the plazo bottom with this. And the range for this one is 770 range only. Got 4 colors in this one also. This, you have seen this light yellowish color. This is a carrot green. The color set is totally different, new color chart. You've got this very different green with this. So all the colors are really different and really beautiful and casual variety. And the cloth is 100% rayon material, 100% washable fabric. Very good for casual, and range is also very economical, 770 range only. High quality product at very reasonable price. This one is also a plazo set. But this is the printed top and this is the bottom along with this. And this one also I've got 3 to 4 color combinations. Range, this one remains the same, 770 range. So beautiful plazo set, washable product and heavy quality fabric. And range comes to 770. 2 colors available in this one also, and size available L, XL and XXL. 3 size available in this. And next variety what I'm showing is very different. This comes in pastel, the set comes in pastel shades. The nice peach color what I'm showing right now with a very beautiful embroidery. And the price for this one is 780. Size available L, XL and XXL. 3 size available. And you can have a look at the colors. Very beautiful light shade. If you do not have this color shade, you can definitely go in for this. You can mix and match with a red color bottom or a creamish color bottom. They'll look really awesome, really exciting. And these are the colors. See, you have seen this peach color, you have seen this green color, I've got this pink color and this lemon yellow color. So go in for any color you like. All the 4 colors are really beautiful and really different collections, really rare collections, uncommon variety. You won't find these varieties here and there. This is one more very beautiful piece what I'm showing you right now. This comes in 100% handloom. The color is totally different. It looks really good for office wear and formal wear. It looks very different. 100% handloom based fabric with all internal weaving, and the range for this one is 830 range only. This is one more very beautiful kurti what I'm showing you right now. It's in kurti with dupatta. This is 100% handloom fabric. Nice pink color in this. You've got nice crochet lace over the sleeves and the neck. And the price for this one is 870 range only. And you got a very beautiful dupatta along with this. Have a look at the dupatta also. So dupatta is kurti set, kurti with dupatta. Range is only 870. Very value for money product. And the next piece what I'm showing is very good, again different product altogether. Nice maroon color with a very beautiful handwork over it, and you got a very decent neckline also, and you got a bottom in contrast. This is the bottom in contrast, straight pant in contrast. So you got this top and bottom, beautiful heavy quality material used, and nice beautiful handwork also done. And the price for this one is 1110 range only. So very different variety. This piece what I'm showing you right now is very different piece altogether. It's in a step-by-step color model. You got this light color and dark color combination. The set looks very beautiful, and the price for this one is 1110 range only. And the size available in this L, XL and XXL. It comes with a very beautiful bell sleeves also. The piece is totally awesome. Do not miss this collection. It's very beautiful. This is a very beautiful kurti set what I'm showing you right now. It has got a very beautiful work down on it, and it got an equally good bottom along with this. This creamish color bottom. You can have a look at the bottom. It's got a beautiful work, and the price for this one is 1170 range. You got total 3 colors in this. I've shown you the green color already. I'll show you other colors also. You got this mustard color combination. Can you see the color combination used in mustard? This green and red combination, so it looks very beautiful, very bright. And this is the peach color. So all the 3 colors are really different. If you do not have these colors, you can definitely go in for these combinations. The pieces are really different. And the next piece what I'm showing again is very different variety altogether. It comes in muslin fabric with a lining inside. Got this nice gotapatti border work over it, and got different fancy buttons on it. Got 3-4 sleeves with gotapatti bottom. The making of sleeves also a bit different, and we got a very different bottom along with this cream color bottom with work over it. And the price for this one is 1260 range only. So very high quality product at very reasonable price. The price is only 1260. Size available L, XL and XXL. This is one more very beautiful kurti set what I'm showing. It comes in fine quality, heavy quality rayon material. Got a beautiful work over the neck, and you got this beautiful collar neck along with this, and you got a nice dupatta along with this. Dupatta also is having work over it, and the dupatta comes in tissue material. Got one more color in this. You have seen this color, and this is one more color. This is in round pinkish sort of a color, and this is a grey sort of a color. So both the colors are really different, and pattern wise the variety is also totally different. The price range is only 1340 range, and the size available these are L, XL and XXL. So 3 size available in this. And the next variety is very different variety. Lot many customers are asking for this kind of variety right now. Got many of the models also in this kind of variety in the store. This is body is made of raw silk, and got a beautiful handwork over the neck, and nice border in the damans. So it's a very different piece, totally party wear concept, and the price for this one is 1340 range only. Got many other models in this, so we can show you through video call. This is one more very different variety what I'm showing you right now. The base is in rayon material, and you've got this all geometrical prints over it, and got 3/4 sleeves, and got this very beautiful white cream color straight pant with this straight pant bottom, and you got a very different dupatta with all anchor stitch work over the dupatta. You got this full dupatta over it. So top, bottom and chunni, all three pieces are available along in this set, and the price for this one is 1430. So in a 1430 range you get beautiful top, beautiful bottom, and a very gorgeous dupatta. The complete set is 1413. Size available, these are M, L, XL and XXL, the 4 size available. And this kurti what I'm showing you right now is very different again. It's in silk based material with having front is covered with all sequence work and embroidery, and got this nice gota patti border at the neck patti, and very beautiful fancy buttons. Got 3/4 sleeves in this with gota patti border over it, and got the very beautiful netted dupatta in self with all over embroidery. So piece is really awesome. It looks very different, very rich, and the collection is very rare. You won't find these collections, very rare collections. The range is only 1480 range, and if you want to look different, you can go in for this kind of varieties. Next variety what I'm showing is again a very different variety. It comes in soft quality rayon material and nice angaraka style embroidery done over it. Got this fancy lace over, fancy hangings with this. Got nice beautiful work, mirror work done on the angaraka style, and the sleeves are also in contrast material, which will be complemented with the bottom, which is available with this. The straight pant bottom available, and the price for this one is 1560 range only. Size available in this are M, L, XL and XXL. So very different variety, different collections, and this is one more very beautiful variety which comes in silk material, totally silk fabric. You can have a look at the work, very beautiful handwork done over it, and got this nice embroidery, hand embroidery, as well as got a thread embroidery over it. And this price for this one is 1650 range, and size available in this are M, L, XL and XXL, 4 size available in this. So friends, if you like the collections, please share our video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. See you soon with new collections. And if you like to have something video made on some special product, kindly write us down in the comment box. We'll definitely go in according to your choice.